What's up, guys? It's AmmaJamma here, and I'm going to go through the secret sauce of moving averages. I'm talking about the 55 MA, not EMA. A lot of people like the exponential moving averages, them EMAs. A lot of people talk about that, like the 5, 13, 24, all these different combinations. I'm going to tell you today about one specific combination, all you need for day trading, and that is the 55 moving average MA on the 5-minute chart. I have the SPY pulled up here, all right? A lot of people talk about the MA, the 55 the 55 MA being sort of the VWAP of the moving averages, and I would agree with that for the most part. As you can see here, if you were to take trades, okay, strip it down, get rid of all these, trading view indicators that are the favorites, these scripts, get rid of all your RSIs, get rid of all your VWAPs, get rid of all the golden fibs, your every single thing, get rid of those retracements, and use just the 55 MA on the 5-minute chart and take a trade when it crosses bullish and stays bullish for more than 5 minutes, and exit when it crosses bearish and stays bearish for more than 5 minutes. You can't go wrong. All right, here's a couple examples. Let's just look at the SPY for the last couple days. All right, here we're on the 5-minute. Obviously, we broke out here. So we take the entry when we cross the 55, crosses that MA. All right, which means crosses over, so the stock is above the moving average here. You stay in this whole trade all the way up. You don't get faked out here. Look at this right here. If you were on the 50 MA, you would have got faked out here. All right, you don't get faked out there. And then when you do leave the trade, as you can see right here, this is enough for a nice little day trade on top of it, on the bearish side. All right, so even these areas here. But if you use it just for the bullish crossovers, here's another example. Using it for just the bullish crossover, boom, there you go. Here's another one, using it for just the bullish crossover. Boom, here you go. Here's another one. I mean, you can see here, every single actual bullish crossover where more than 5 minutes, we stay and clear it and demagnetize ourselves from it. I mean, we've got over an 80% win rate just right there. All right, let's pull up another chart. We'll do another chart for this. Let's do another chart. Let's pull up AMD. Here we go. Let's close this over a little bit. We don't need all that. All right, AMD. 5-minute chart. Here we go, folks. Just the 55 MA. I'm talking, this is all you choose to trade with. All right? Look at these setups. And we're talking about day trades here. We're not talking about entries for long-term holds. We're talking day trades here. We get nice little pops every time. Here's another one. Nice little pop every time. This one, not so much. All right, there's our loser. But cross under it. Here we go. Look at this bearish move all the way down. You don't get faked out the whole time. Here's the move up all the way up. You don't get faked up the whole time here. And then here we had, this would have got you. This one, okay, I'll admit it. This one would have got you. But, so anyway, I'm just, and of course, nothing is sure-proof and going to work every single time. But I would say with an 80%, at least an 80% consistency rate, using the 55 MA on a 5-minute chart is going to greatly improve your trading. And no, you don't necessarily have to use it as your only indicator. Use it as the confirmation indicator. If something starts to look good, you're looking at your ISI, you're looking at the rest of your crossovers, and then that 55 MA looks good and our stock is broke over, there you go, good as gold. I will be back with you next time for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much. Bye.